Good morning, everybody. It's Alex on a kind of a cloudy, rainy day. We just missed the rain. I'm here with Jack Aruni. Jack's helping out on this home that was just rehabbed. They've torn everything down and out. Had major urine issue, not just here, but in the attic. You can see all this insulation. They're going to replace all the insulation after we treat the decking, the trestles, everything that we can possibly reach up in there is going to be totally saturated. Here's the rest of the house. As you can see, it's been brought down to slab, which is the best thing to do in a urine house. Dogs, cats, nobody really knows, but there's a doggy door or a cat door here somewhere, and so I think strays got in after the people left. But anyway, this is the kitchen area. You can see everything's been ripped out, completely rehabbed. So we're going to treat these floors really heavy. We're going to do some of the walls, the ceiling, this front entranceway for sure, and the portico, the front area. Here's the bathroom. Everything's kind of dark. So I can't remember, it's 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms. I can't quite remember. Here's the other bathroom. You can see everything's been ripped out. And this is where some of the dog urine is, right here. You can see that they've ripped the floor out completely, and yet the urine has gone down through the tile and stained the concrete. So we're going to be treating this really, really heavy. And some of the walls, he should get rid of those blinds because that's a big odor magnet, and I'll let him know. But anyway, that's really it. Just a few more rooms. This is the master bath, which is awesome. I'm sure he's going to turn this into something really nice. And here's the master. And the urine is throughout the whole house. He thinks it's emanating all from the attic, but no, it's in this cement as well. So we'll treat all that, and that's really basically it. Another luxury home service here in Boca Raton, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.